Thandi woke up to the sound of her phone alarm, but before she could even turn it off, a calm voice spoke, "Good morning, Thandi. It's 6:30 a.m. The weather is warm today, 22 degrees. Don't forget your water bottle." Thandi smiled sleepily. "Thank you, Ayo," she said. Ayo was her AI assistant. She used it for almost everything: reminders, shopping lists, even recipes. She sat up slowly, rubbing her eyes. She said softly. "I never thought I'd talk to my phone every morning." Ayo replied, "You talk to me because I make your mornings easier." Thandi laughed. "You sure do." After brushing her teeth, she asked, "Ayo, what's on my schedule today?" Ayo answered, "You have a staff meeting at 9, and you promised to help your niece with her homework after work." Thandi sighed. "Busy day again." "Would you like me to prepare a to-do list?" Ayo asked. "Yes, please," Thandi said, tying her hair up. In the kitchen, the smell of coffee filled the air. Her younger brother, Cabello, was scrolling on his tablet. "Morning, Thandi," he said. "Guess what? My AI app just helped me plan my monthly budget." Thandi raised an eyebrow. "Budget? You?" "I'm impressed," Cabello grinned. "It's called Smart Save. It tells me where my money goes, and even reminds me to stop buying too many sneakers." They both laughed. "AI is everywhere now," Thandi said. "It's like having a smart friend in your pocket." Before leaving, she asked, "Ayo, how's traffic?" "There's congestion on the main road," Ayo replied. "I suggest taking the township route instead." Thandi smiled. "Perfect. Let's go." As she drove, she noticed the difference. The usual road was packed, but her new route was clear. "Good call, Ayo," she said. "I aim to make your life easier," the voice replied. At work, Thandi was a marketing designer. She often used AI tools to create posters and write short slogans. That day, her colleague Larato came over with a worried look. "Thandi, the boss wants new ideas for the youth campaign. By this afternoon." Thandi took a deep breath. "No problem," she said confidently. "Let's use the AI brainstorm tool." Within minutes, they typed a few words: youth, hope, and opportunity. The AI suggested phrases like, "Your future starts today," and "Dream big, start small." Larato's eyes widened. "That's brilliant," Thandi smiled. "See? We just needed a little digital help." During lunch, they sat outside under a shady tree. Larato scrolled on her phone and said, "You know, my cousin uses AI to teach children in rural areas." "Really?" Thandi asked. "How?" "It translates lessons into local languages," Larato said proudly. "Even when teachers can't be there in person." Thandi nodded. "That's beautiful. Technology can really change lives." Cabello texted her just then. "Hey sis, I just helped me fix my essay grammar. I think I'm getting better at English." She laughed. "A I teacher to the rescue." After work, Thandi stopped at the grocery store. She opened her phone and said, "Ayo, what do I need for dinner?" "You are missing tomatoes, onions, and chicken," Ayo replied. "Thanks," she said. "You always keep my kitchen in check." At the till, the cashier smiled. "You're talking to your phone again, Thandi?" Thandi laughed. "Yes, it keeps me organized. It's like having a little helper everywhere I go." Later that evening, she sat on the couch with her niece, Nalidi. They were doing homework together. Nalidi asked, "Auntie Thandi, who is smarter, you or Ayo?" Thandi giggled. "Ayo can give information quickly, but I have something Ayo doesn't: feelings and imagination." Naledi nodded slowly. "So, people in AI are a team?" "Exactly," Thandi said. We work together. They finished the homework, and Naledi ran to play. Thandi leaned back, tired but content. She whispered, Ayo, play some relaxing music. Soft African jazz began to play in the background. You walked 9,200 steps today, Ayo said gently. Would you like to set a new goal for tomorrow? Thandi smiled. Sure, let's make it 10,000. She stared out the window at the night sky and thought about her day. I had helped her drive safely, work faster, shop smarter, and even spend more time with her family. But she knew something important. I was powerful, yet it needed people like her to use it wisely. It could never replace real love, creativity, or faith. She smiled softly and said, Good night, Ayo. And Ayo replied, Good night, Thandi. Rest well. Do you use AI in your daily life? Maybe to study, translate, or get ideas? Share in the comments. I'd love to know how technology helps you.